Do you want to earn online? But due to lack of proper traffic source and proper guidelines, earning is not possible. Today, I will share a secret magic with you from where you can earn $20 to $30 per day. Can you see my earnings report on the computer screen? I am sharing my earning report with you. See how much I am earning daily. In this earning report, I am sharing with you today's income and yesterday's income, full month income. Do you want to earn online like me? Then I am giving you a secret online earning video. Secret video. If you check the description box or comment box of this video, you will get the video link. Hope if you watch that video and work you will be able to earn a good amount online. Today's video is about me sharing one such traffic source. Promote your CPA or affiliate offers. You can earn. Starting the video. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you can get the updates of all the videos first. Today we will work on traffic sources. The name of the traffic source is wt.social. You will open a new tab. Search Wait Socal. Then open the website. Then you need to create an account here. Here you will create an account with all your information. After creating account, you can see your account dashboard. Here you can see there are many groups and each group has 1 million members. You promote your CPR offer here. You can earn $20 to $30 per day. Next we will come to our profile first. We'll upload our profile picture and cover picture. And I will write a few words about our quest. Once our profile work is complete, we will start marketing. Now we come to our affiliate network. Then we will select one of our offers. I have selected one offer from here, which is Cash App gift card offer. Then we will copy our affiliate offer by clicking the Get Link. After copying the link, we will now shorten the link. I will use a website. That website is bit.ly. We will paste our copy link here. Then we will click on Shortcut now. You can see that our link has become smaller. We'll copy the link into Notepad and then paste it here. As you can see on the screen, I have written some text in the Notepad. Point 1 is that you can use that text if you want about our offer. So I will copy this entire text and paste it in our traffic source. Then here I will upload a picture. Next I will click on Post here. You can see my post has been uploaded here. So if someone completes my offer from here, then I will be able to earn. Here you can see that many people are promoting CPI's offer. So if you continue to work according to this rule. So from here I hope you can earn $20 to $30 per day. Promote your offer. If you like the video so far, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks everyone.